How to grow your own unlimited supply of turmeric at home. It's ridiculously easy. Turmeric is probably one of the healthiest spices in the world. The medical experts claim that this spice has more than 600 preventive and therapeutic health benefits. Turmeric has powerful antibacterial and antiseptic properties, which means that this spice is very useful for treating and cleaning wounds. But we think that this spice is extremely popular because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Some medical experts claim that this spice is even more powerful than ibuprofen. In this video we are going to show you how to grow unlimited supply of turmeric in your own home. So if you think that this spice is expensive and you would like to grow your own, homemade 100% natural turmeric, then you should watch the video below. How to grow turmeric indoors. This super healthy root is grown from rhizomes, root cuttings, because turmeric doesn't propagate seeds. So you just need to get one turmeric root which you can buy in the closest supermarket or in your local health store. Just follow the simple instructions. First you need to break a larger rhizome into a small rhizome piece, which has 2 or 3 buds. Then you need to fill your pots with a rich organic soil which is lightly moist but well drained. You need to place the rhizomes 2 inches below the surface of the soil with the buds facing up and water the container when you are all done. Well, that's it, and now we are going to show you how to water your own turmeric. But first let me tell you that your turmeric will also benefit from bi-monthly feedings of a good organic fertilizer or compost tea. How to water turmeric. First you should know that this root loves water, so you should keep the soil moist, especially in hot dry climates. You should water it once every 2 days. Or spray it with a spray bottle. But if you live in cooler climates, then you should water it less. So you should pay attention and keep the soil from ever getting soggy. That's the main key in watering your turmeric. Now when you know how to plant it and how to water your turmeric, let me tell you how to harvest it. How to harvest turmeric. First you should know that it usually takes between 8–10 months for the edible rhizomes to mature. The leaves and the stems are edible too, but many people harvest turmeric only for its roots. Many different herbs are usually harvested throughout the growing season, but this root is harvested all at once when it's mature enough. So when you notice that your rhizomes are big enough, just dig up all rhizomes from the pot. The rhizomes are best if they are harvested all at once. Just take them all out and you can save few pieces to plant for the next season. Note, you need to change the soil because the original plant probably depleted it of all its nutrients. Storage and use. You should keep your turmeric roots in cold and dry place. And when you are ready to use your turmeric roots, then you should follow these simple instructions. First you need to boil the roots for 45 minutes. Then you should leave them in dry place and dry the roots for 1 week. After 1 week you need to put on some rubber gloves, prevent drying your hands bright yellow, and peel the turmeric roots. After that you need to grind the peeled roots into spice, which you can use it in many different meals and dishes. Or just make a wonderful turmeric tea or turmeric latte. This super healthy root is loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. So now you know how to grow it in your own home. Now you can use 100% organic turmeric spice, which you can add it to your favorite meals or smoothies. Thanks for watching, and share this video with your friends and family.
Here is what will happen to your body when you eat a teaspoon of turmeric every day. You should know that turmeric is one of the best anti-aging, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory super spice with a whole range of amazing health benefits. After you read the following, you'll start adding a teaspoon of it in each of your meals. Decreasing of inflammation. Long-term inflammation is connected to disease, which cause long-lasting damage and eventually leading to death. If you have additional help in decreasing inflammation, then it means that your body can retain overall health. Decreasing the risk of brain disease. The risk of brain diseases are decreased in the correlation to the increase of BDNF hormone in your brain. All this is due to the improved functioning of the brain and could also reverse the effects already present in the brain. Preventing cancer. It is able to fight free radicals and help in maintaining healthy cells. Curcumin can block the enzymes which promote the growth of cancer cells. Preventing and treating Alzheimer's disease. It is able to improve overall brain health and can prevent or slow down the progression of Alzheimer's through the process of removing amyloid plaque buildup in the brain. These are actually types of proteins which play a vital role in different neurodegenerative disorders. Improves digestion. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder, reduces bloating and gas, and may also help in treating bowel inflammation. When a person suffers from a gallbladder disease, turmeric shouldn't be taken as a supplement because it may worsen the condition. lowering the risk of heart disease. Some of the properties of the turmeric are to reduce bad cholesterol, prevent blood clotting, and remove plaque buildups in the arteries. Antioxidants start working more effectively. Curcumin has the ability to act like an antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals which further react with fatty acids or DNA, with negative effects in the body. If you minimize the effects of free radicals, it will be of great benefit to your body. Helping with arthritis pain, turmeric acts like an anti-inflammatory in arthritis pain which is due to joint inflammations. Thus, this super spice addresses the issue and helps with the pain and decreased function caused by arthritis.